Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nelu Anidebe, and today we'll be talking about the okra, also known as gumbo or lady's fingers. We'll also be cooking it as well. So okra is a good source of minerals, vitamins, antioxidants and fiber, so it has high nutritional value. Let's look at its health benefits. Okra reduces the risk of cancer, obesity, diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. It helps remove toxins from the body. Okra is an excellent source of vitamin K, which helps strengthen the bones. It also helps prevent constipation and maintain a healthy digestive system. Okra is high in fiber, so therefore it can reduce harmful cholesterol level in the blood and thereby lowering the risk of heart diseases and stroke. It is good for pregnant women. Fiber are required for all ages. However, fiber may contribute to weight loss by reducing appetite. Finally, okra can help as a replacement for blood plasma and increase the blood volume. The less cooked, the better. Can be eaten raw, and meat has it that it clears the throat for smooth voice. So let's get down to the kitchen to cook the high nutritional okra soup. Welcome to my channel once more. If you've not subscribed yet, please click on the subscription button and also the notification button to be notified whenever we have a new upload. This channel is full of amazing things for you. So these are my ingredients for this okra soup. I have the okra, the red oil, the salt, the crayfish, the prawns, the chili pepper and the leaf, the onion, the momo, which is the cow skin. I have the smoked fish, I have the dried fish, I have the seasoning cubes. Okay, first I am cutting the okra. I'm cutting them very bold. This time around, I don't even need to slice them in between, but if I come across a bigger one, I'll slice it just once. If not, I don't need to slice it and I don't need to chop it that tiny. Okay, here I'll be using the grater to grate just a little bit out of the okra to help thicken the soup. That's why I am grating this. This will serve as a thickener for the soup. I had to stop and do this in between to get a desired quantity. Okay, so when I am done with this, I'll continue with my chopping the okra. So guys, this is the quantity I grated. I think I'm okay with that quantity. So I'll go ahead to cut the rest in a border form. Okay, after I am done with the grating part. Using my manual blender, I am blending the pepper. I have to blend it for the food. As I'm doing that, the hot water got ready, so I'll be using it to wash the dried fish and also the pomo, which is the cow skin. Note, I'll be soaking them for at least 2 minutes. Here is the pepper, guys. I am done blending it. Here is the ogiri, the small but mighty. It's time to grind it. And then when I'm done, I'll use the crayfish to bring it out from the blender or the hand grinder. So here is the crayfish and the ogiri already blended. And now I'm working on the oporo. Trying as much as possible to pick them one after the other and to remove the hooks, or rather the bone. So guys, here is my cow skin, popularly known as pomo or kanda. I'll be chopping it in a bit. Okay. I am done with the preparations. As you can see, this is the onion already chopped, the pepper, the leaves, the okra, the fish, the crayfish, everything is ready. And now I am ready to cook. So guys, I forgot to show you the pomo, the cow skin, the kanda. Yes, it is ready. First, I put an empty pot on the fire and I allowed it dry, and then I turned the red oil. I don't need the red oil to be very hot so that it will not bleach before adding the pepper. And then next I'll be adding the onion. And then I really need to stir it very well. The next thing I'll be adding is the okra, the grated okra. Remember, I have two cuts of okra for this soup, so I'll be adding the grated okra, and then I'll be stirring it very well as well. So guys, I did not cook the fishes because I'm not using meat for this particular delicacy. It's all about fish, the dried fish, the smoked fish and others, and then the pomo. So I didn't cook it. I'm turning it in, and then I turned in the crayfish as well. Next is to add the salt to taste, and then stir very well, followed by the seasoning cube. I'll be using just a single seasoning cube here since I used the ogiri, the obe for this soup. And the soup is small, as you can see, it's meant for only me. Then I cover and allow it steam for a few minutes. So guys, next is to turn in my leaf. Yes, after adding the leaf, I stir. When I'm done, I cover the pot and allow it steam for 2 minutes. So guys, it's time for the last thing, which is the first thing, and that is the almighty okra, the main okra. Guys, once I put this and turn it and it boils a bit, just a bit, then the soup is ready. I don't need it to get done. Alright, this is the type that when you chew, you'll be hearing it sounding crackle crackle in your mouth. You guys won't believe what is cooking in the other pots. Oh yes, I am cooking my apple. Yeah, my fufu. Okay, I don't joke with this at all, and I love it hot. So after cooking it, I have to turn it to make it smooth. Okay, and guess what? I'll be eating this special, healthy, nutritional okra soup with this apple. Food is ready. Come and join me. Let's go. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye. Meanwhile, come and join me. Let's eat.